Who walks our site to determine best locations for cameras? Yeah, so Cloud Connections and Verkada, like we'll partner together to work with you, and we'll help you map out a floor plan. We have a lot of experience working with different industries, different verticals, and we can help you map out what you're looking for. It's not just location. It's like if you have specific use cases that you need to determine, whether it's getting people of interest notifications, determining relevant license plates in parking lots, specific issues you may be encountering in your facilities, we can recommend not only the count of the cameras, the quantity of cameras, but also the model as well, to make sure you have the desired functionality.